Welcome to my presentation on course evaluation. We'll be looking specifically at the 5 categories dictated by the Southern Regional Education Board. They created a document called the Checklist for Evaluating Online Courses. So first, how do we evaluate them with content? So we look at the relevance, the accuracy, and clarity of all materials. We ensure that it's aligned with all the objectives using learner feedback, content reviews, and subject matter experts to input and assess effectiveness. Now, why do we do this? Content is the core of any learning experience, and it ensures learners engage with accurate, updated, and meaningful information, which obviously impacts their ability to achieve the intended outcomes. Next is instructional design. We evaluate this by assessing the structure, the sequencing, and navigation of the learning strategies. We review the alignment between objectives and activities and assessment, and using rubrics or design standards like quality matters. We do this because instructional design is very meaningful to learning, and organized and interactive design supports engagement, comprehension, and skill development. It ensures that learners aren't frustrated and everything is user friendly. So, we look at student assessment by evaluating the variety, relevance, and fairness of all assessment methods. We ensure, obviously, that it's aligned with objectives and analyze the effectiveness of feedback mechanisms. We do this because assessments measure learning progress and outcomes. We evaluate them to provide an accurate representation of student achievement through timely, constructive feedback. Next is looking at technology, and how we evaluate that is reviewing the usability, compatibility, and accessibility of the technology, making sure it adheres to the appropriate standards and that it's reliable. Why we do this? It underpins the entire online learning experience. We need to have seamless interaction on the activities, ensure equitable access, and this enhances both the learning and teaching experience, whether it's live or pre recorded. Lastly, is course evaluation and management. We do this through surveys, feedback, and different analytics to assess course delivery, communication, and overall management, and evaluate the responsiveness of the support systems. We evaluate this because it ensures that we are continuously reflecting on and improving the course. We address the learner as well as instructor feedback to allow the course to remain dynamic, adaptive, and aligned with best practices. In conclusion, you can see that, these 5 categories for evaluating online courses ensure that they are engaging, they are clear, and that they are ever changing. They are thoughtful in their integration of all of these categories, and that it causes us to continuously reflect and give feedback in our ever changing technological landscape. In conclusion, you can see that, these 5 categories for evaluating online courses ensure that they are engaging, they are clear, and that they are ever changing. They are thoughtful in their integration of all of these categories, and that it causes us to continuously reflect and give feedback in our ever changing technological landscape.